Hello, I'm Class Food and Barbecue. So I was craving meatballs and mash. Let's make it. I'm grinding my own meat. I'm using chuck and some thick cut bacon. And you can buy whichever blend you like. And then I'm mixing up 2 shallots and a cup of pork rinds. I use as breadcrumbs kind of in this. Adding in 3 eggs. A 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And then as a seasoning for this, I'm using Montreal steak seasoning, and I'm applying it liberally. That's like 2 tablespoons. Anyway, mix it well. I'm using my hands, and then I'm chunking up mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna make large meatballs for this, so it's gonna be like 2 per person. Just shaping them into balls, taking a piece of cheese, pressing it into the middle, and then forming the meatball around the cheese. I'm using wet hands. I have a separate bowl with water just to wet my hands because it makes it so much easier to shape these and kind of get them to bind together. Not one actually leaked cheese, so that was good. Anyway, I've them all done, giving them a crust all over, and once that's done, I'm gonna put a lid on them and let them cook. I'm having 3 tablespoons of butter in there. I flipped them a few times, and this is like 15 minutes later, and I'm adding 1 can of coconut cream, thoroughly shooken, and then just letting it simmer. Okay, time to steam the cauliflower. I've got one of those really cheap steamers, work well. 2 small heads of cauliflower, and just letting them steam until they're fork tender. Adding them to my blender, 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste. I'm also adding some wheat. Oh no, that's actually mixed herbs, but oh well, it looks like wheat. Adding some mixed herbs to this, and then blending it to a smooth consistency. Turned out really nice. Okay, shaping a little crater for the meatballs to rest in, adding some of the sauce, and it's time for a taste test.
There we go, some cheese-filled meatballs and some cauliflower mash. Let's try it. That Montreal steak seasoning and the coconut cream, funny enough, it works because I like it. And then the scallions on top just to make it pretty. Thank you for watching. Bye.